Hello everyone, if you are a UI UX designer, then I think this video is very helpful for you because in this video I will introduce with you such a wonderful website. From this website you can play UI UX design related games. Actually UI UX design you can practice yourself by UI UX design uh, things. Actually principle, UI principle. So the website is cantansi.space. When you came to this website you will see this type of interface. You have to test A/B test, like which is correct, like this, and this is one option and this is another option. You have to identify which is most correct uh, from from this. So here you see the font is not uh, modern or looks good, and the profile image is wrap, and here you see color contrast is not good, and here you see this is fully square and this is quite rounded. But in this example you will see font looks good, and image option fully circle or ellipse, and here you see the icon is perfectly proportionate, and here you see this is rounded and this is also rounded. So I think this option will be correct. And another one is here you see the icon is unorganized, and here you see icon is organized. And another thing is here you see 31 780, but we know uh, time is highest 24, so this is also another wrong. So I think this option will be correct, so I just click here, so this option is correct. So if you just compare with the wrong option, then just click here compare, and here you see the changes. So after comparing you can click next, and here you see another new options. So in this way you can play in this website and test your UI design skill and UX design skill. So that's all about our today's video. If you like my content, then I request you please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and family or colleagues who are interested right now in UI UX design sector. So that's all about our today's video. If you have any feedback, then please let me know. Thank you.